Q4 is the most focused time for any Amazon and e-commerce sellers. Every seller will see a big jump in sales and traffic. The holiday season is upon us and it's time to prepare your sales strategy for this wonderful time of the year. This is Saiful from Ecomclips. We are managing over $10 million ad spends yearly, and in today's video we'll show some exclusive PPC strategies that especially focused on Q4. So today we'll go over two accounts that we have been managing over the years. One will be seasonal item and another will be non-seasonal item. So let's take a quick peek at the result that our strategy delivered last year for the non-seasonal items. This is a US account and they are selling work boots and shoes only. Here you can see for this account trend, every year around Q4 the sale started to increase a lot. And this is for non-seasonal item. In last year 2022 October, we saw a big jump in spend and sales. You can see here in September 2022, we spent around 33k with around 150k sales and the ACOS was 22%. In October, we increased the spend by 7k and in sales we almost got 60k more with 19% ACOS. Now let's take a look at the November data. It's even crazy that we spent the same amount as October but got 7k more sales. And in December things started to go down as usual. We got 181k sales with 35k spent at 19% ACOS. But still it's relatively high than any other months of Q1 to Q3. Normally from 20th December or whenever your item started to show ships after Christmas, your sale will go down because everyone is in rush and they want to complete everything before Christmas. So around last 10 days of December will be a slow time. Now let's take a look at the CPC trend for a bit. So we can see here the CPC was low around this month, which is interesting. I will let you know soon why it's low for this account. Now let's take a quick look at the results and our strategy delivered last year for the seasonal items. This is a UK account and they sells all sorts of items, but in Q4 they especially focused on items like Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc. Here we can see a big jump in last year Q4. So for this account, we started to see trend from November and December was the peak. So in November, spend was like 80k and we got 320k in sales and the ACOS was 25%. The sale was more than double in comparison with October month. Also the ACOS were low. December was the craziest where we spent 112k and got over £500,000 sales. And the ACOS was even better from November. Now let's take a look at the CPC trend for a bit. So yeah, we can see here the same trend we saw for our first account. The CPC was low around this time. So you can see how much sales and traffic boost you will get in this Q4. And you may ask, hey, what will be the strategy to follow? So there are mainly 4 or 5 steps that we can follow to get the best outcome, like inventory, PPC budget, CPC or bidding strategy, keywords targeting, campaign optimization, etc. Let me show you some more data that can help you to build up your strategy. Firstly, inventory. It will be the most important part, as if you are out of stock, then it's game over. So you need to find that sweet spot so that you can have easily 3 months worth of supply, and around this time Amazon took high charge for the storage fee and also take long time to receive the item if you are doing FBA. You should start sending the item very early. We always suggest to keep both FBA and FBM live and keeping the FBA price low so you can have the buy box. If you see FBA taking time to get inventory, you can make FBM price low and get the buy box. Now to find the right inventory figure, you need to go to this SQ Central and select a date range. Here I will take from October to December last year. Now you can see I sold around 150 units and there are some returns also. So this year I can say I would send 200 units only for this SN. This is how you can pick for your item. PPC budget will be the second important thing for any sellers. So here you can see and get an idea from last year's data. It will be obvious that the spending will be much higher than regular. Like for this account, our regular spend was 25 to 30k, but around Q4 we spent around 40k. So my goal is to spend more than 40k this year. And I always suggest focusing on TACOS, not ACOS, as PPC campaigns take a long time to update the data. So if you are seeing that TACOS is good, keep spending more. Now for the bid, as I just showed you, around this time it was relatively low. Now I know you saw everyone suggesting that increase the bid and budget by 40% or 20%, but reality is not the same. It will drain your budget faster. So the best way is we can increase the bid, but we will use bidding strategy down only so that it can give us the best results like we got from our other account last year. Keywords will be another important thing. If you bid for the wrong keywords, no way we will get the sales. So here will be two ways of keyword research. If I talk about the non-seasonal items, you can go over this targeting tab that Amazon has. From here you can see all the targeting data from all your campaigns. I'll pick the last 30 days and we'll see which keywords were giving me the best conversion rate and ACOS. It's basically the most cost-effective keywords. So these are the keywords that we can sort product-wise and push in the Q4. Also, you can create new campaigns by targeting your own ASIN. This will help you to keep your buyers in your product page and remove the other sellers. Additionally, sponsored display remarketing campaigns can be a good choice as they will show the ads to the buyers who checked your item but didn't purchase. Now for the non-seasonal items, it's a bit tricky because we need to check the products and use some tools like Helium 10 to find out the keyword trends and pick the best keyword for your product. Most likely every keyword will contain Christmas or other seasonal terms in it. For example, if you are selling Santa doll ornament for Christmas tree, then we can target keywords Christmas ornament. Need to be specific with your keywords like Santa doll ornaments or Santa ornaments for Christmas tree. Now regarding the campaign optimization, you need to check it every day, but the optimization should be dependent on overall account data, not only based on PPC. Like I said earlier, you need to focus on TACOS, not ACOS. So you can check if any product is not doing well in organic and PPC, you can pause it. And if any keywords having high ACOS and low conversion, you can reduce the bid for 2-3 days, and even if after that it's not working, you can pause it. Also check the campaign's budget and performance because there could be a campaign that have high budget but not performing well. So you can reduce the budget and transfer it to a good performing campaigns. So to sum it up, in Q4, you need to pick the sweet spot for your inventory, set a good PPC budget, pick the best keyword, and pick the right bidding strategy. And for optimization, check the product level performance with metrics like total sale, conversion rate, and TACOS and adjust it. Check keyword level performance with metrics like conversion rate, ACOS, CTR, and bid, and then decide how to improve more. At the campaign level, check the budget and ACOS and optimize them on keywords or product level to get the best return. Before ending the video, here are some quick tips that you can follow for your account. Number 1. Optimize the main image and listing with relevant keywords. Number 2. Offer competitive pricing as buyer loves discount around this time. Number 3. You can try virtual bundles. Number 4. Custom image for your PPC campaigns. So whether you are a seasonal seller or non-seasonal seller, you won't want to miss this time of the year. It's also being said Q4 is the best time to launch any new products. Later, we'll also share a launch strategy idea. So for now, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Don't forget to like this video and let's get ready to dominate Amazon Q4 together. If this video is helpful for you, share this video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. In Ecomclips, we are managing over 300 accounts and we are offering A to Z Amazon services. So if you need any help with your account, you can contact us via email at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. You can also check out our website www.ecomclips.com to get more useful blogs that may help you out your business. Our team can provide you the best solution of all time. Thank you.